On the other side of River Ndarugu, there are many tree stumps, a clear indication that trees are being felled every now and then. This one is a stump that from a tree that has recently been felled. We found this tree which had been felled, and it went across the river from one side to the other side of the river. There are so many trees which have been felled along the river, including this one, which I was lucky to film. This one also is a clear indication that trees are being felled every now and then along River Ndarugu. This is also another tree that has been felled, which is just about 5 or 2 meters from the river. The river is downstairs there, and children are playing on the tree, which had been felled also across the river. The provincial administration is not doing anything to prevent this rampant felling of trees. Activities like sand taking from the river should not continue, and this one I think the chief of this area knows what is happening here, and he should not keep quiet. He should come to the rescue of this river and stop these sand harvesters from harvesting sand from this dry river.